shoot day. We are here at Muse. Honestly, the cutest studio ever. Look what the girls are doing. Horizon shine.
Did you just get one of my arms in the air?
Yeah, I did get your ass in the air. You're feeling the vibes, aren't you? That is the real question.
I love that. I love that.
I'll just show you a photo of her. Wait, you telling me? Yeah. Bless.
Also, that's freaking awesome. Are you rolling her with like a one of those like forks things?
Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello.
It is. It's a high girl song.
It's time.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
Yeah, go through your bag. So slow. Look to the side.
So today we are doing some light shopping for the studio and it's so overwhelming. I'm so happy that I have Jimbo with me because she knows the lights. It's so much equipment that I didn't really know. I thought we just good with the natural light, but you know, here we are. So yeah, let's blow our budget with the light.
Now these things, they open up from a little screw at the bottom.
Okay. I just got an email from Georgia. Ooh, it is the contract. We are officially opening up our first vending machine in Rhodes Waterside in Sydney. And wow, it's been 2 years. I'm so excited, I'm so nervous, and I'm so stressed, but the best stress possible. Because my thing, I've been planning this for 2 years and it's finally happening, and it's actually happening. I'm gonna go for a walk, a little mindful walk, just write things down, what needs to get done, get organized, because in 2 months' time it's gonna be 6, so it is happening. I'm so happy. Yay.